Now moving on to question number 17. If x equal to this thing, y equal to this thing, find double derivative. So this is a parametric form. So first I will find out dx by dt. A as it is, cos t will be minus sin t. Here I have used the product rule. T as it is, differentiation of sin is cos, plus sin t as it is, differentiation of t will be 1. So minus sin t plus sin t will cancel out. So what you will get? At cos t. Here also a as it is, sin t differentiation cos t minus sin as it is. Here I have applied the product rule. So on simplifying you will get this term. So now what is dy by dx? It is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So when you divide dy by dt by dx by dt, 80 will cancel out, you will get tan t. Now differentiating again. So differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta, and then we will differentiate t also, dt by dx. This is very important step. So now dt by dx, from where we get this value? This value we have already taken out in equation number 1. This is dx by dt and we need dt by dx. So इसका reciprocal कर लो. 1 upon 80 cos t. 1 upon 80 cos t. This cos when will move up, it will become sec. So it is square, so it will become cube. Sec cube t upon 80. So this is the final answer. Now moving on to the last question of the miscellaneous exercise. This is the question: if y equal to this, prove this value. So this is the question. Differentiating once e to the power x is e to the power x. Then a cos inverse x will be, differentiation will be minus a, क्योंकि cos inverse x का differentiation will be minus times, no? So a as it is, cos inverse x will be minus 1 upon this. So this is minus a. Now see, this value I have replaced by y. So it will be minus ay upon under root 1 minus x square. ये y के बराबर है ना, तो इसको मैंने y लिख दिया, माइनस साइन ये आ गया, a आ गया, रूट एज इट इज. Now cross multiplying, you will get this term. Now differentiating again. Product rule. First function as it is, differentiation of will be double derivative plus single derivative as it is. इसका differentiation क्या आएगा रूट x का? 1 by 2 root x, and then we'll differentiate this term also, that is minus 2x. Minus a by differentiation will be minus a dy by dx. 2 and 2 will cancel out. So we get this expression. Now take the LCM. LCM will be under root of 1 minus x square. So root and root will cancel out. Double derivative as it is. Minus x dy by dx as it is. Now here what I will do, in place of dy by dx from equation number 1, I will put minus ay upon this value. Minus ay upon this value using 1. So minus minus will cancel out. This root and root will cancel out. So it is a square y positive. And this term as it is. Shift this minus a square y this side. So you will get the required answer. So this is the exercise on miscellaneous. So you go through these questions carefully. These are very important questions. Now we'll start the application of derivative. In that, mean value theorem and have already been removed. So we'll start, and also the rate measure chapter is also removed. So start from increasing and decreasing functions.